Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Moto G34 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to remove keyboard languages in your phone Moto G34. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here. Then go to System. Then go to Keyboard. Then go to On-Screen Keyboard. Then go to Gboard and go to Languages. And these are all the languages are available in your keyboard: English, Tamil, Hindi, Marathi, Bangla and Telugu. If you want to remove some particular languages from the list, yes, you can do it. Click on this edit symbol and here select the languages which are to be removed. Here I have selected 4 languages. These languages are no longer I need, so I am going to delete. You can select your desired languages to be deleted from the list. Okay, and click on this delete button and they will be removed. Now only English and Tamil are available. Okay, so in this way you can easily remove desired languages from the list. Later if you think that if you want to add, yes, you can add. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.